This video shows you how to prepare and use Luna's urinary system. Here's what you'll need: a 20 milliliter syringe, 15 milliliter of colored distilled water, 5 milliliter syringe with clear distilled water, yellow food coloring if you would like to make simulated urine, a 6.5 French urinary catheter, lubricant from Luna's inventory kit, a receptacle, empty 5 milliliter syringe, male or female genitalia. To perform Luna's urological system, if desired, mix food coloring with distilled water prior to filling the syringe to simulate urine. You fill Luna's urine reservoir through the urethra opening in the male or female genitalia. Spray urinary catheter with lubricant and insert into the urethra opening. Female insert approximately 10 centimeters, male insert approximately 12 centimeters. Attach syringe to the urinary catheter and pull back on the plunger to remove any air or fluid present in the urinary bladder. Remove syringe. Remove the catheter from the mannequin and flush with clean distilled water to flush out any lubricant. Fill syringe with 15 milliliter colored distilled water. Attach syringe to urinary catheter and flush with the distilled water until no air remains in the catheter. Lubricate catheter tip and insert into urethra 10 centimeters for female and 12 centimeters for male. Inject 10 milliliters of fluid. Remove the syringe and urinary catheter from the genitalia. You can catheterize Luna using the lubricated 6.5 French urinary catheter. Lubricate the tip of the catheter. Insert catheter into urethra 6 centimeters for female and 8 centimeters for male. Water will start to flow out of the bladder. To learn how to change the genitalia, see the Luna user guide. After the simulation, be sure to remove the urinary catheter. To drain the urine reservoir, insert catheter with empty syringe attached. Pull back on the plunger to remove any fluids still in the reservoir. After fluids are drained from the reservoir, if colored fluids were used, repeat the filling process with clear fluids and drain again. Remove the urinary catheter.